Today I'm gonna be playing Monkey Day. I'll go in third person for you guys. Whoa. Hey, you guys want to be in a video?
I'm going to hold.
I'm making the video right now. I'm making the video. I'm going to stomp. Me.
Where's Horror?
I'm recording. I'm the one making the video.
You?
Well, you're in a video, by the way. You both are in a video.
Where's Horror?
Oh, I'll show you. I'll show you. Come here. I'm making a video.
Let me come.
Get out of here. And I need to use that.
And then jump.
Because of the little computer.
I made it.
I'll go in there
I
after.
got up here.
So now, today, I'm going to go explore the shop now.
Yeah, just skip up and get onto that.
Someone do this.
On the top.
And after you do that, someone has to stand on you and do this.
Ow. Ow.
I just saw this on a YouTube video, and they kept on glitching into the map, so
I'm making a YouTube video.
seeing if it works.
Box.
Nope, this glitch definitely
Box.
doesn't work.
Banana.
Now you can
I like the box. Yep. Go.
Secret up here.
Coconut.
Secret up in this.
Banana Man.
Dude,
I'm Banana. J-Man. My name is J-Man. J Banana. That's my name.
Dude,
My name is J-Man
Guess what?
Banana.
Guess what? The capybara up here does a flip.
That's
It
good.
does a flip and then goes.
Hey.
Oh, I see it.
What's up, bro?
Ground.
Oh, he's...
Wait, I think I see
I went on a map. I climbed on the top of that tree. And I jumped up that tree. Dude, I got on the top of that tree and I
Let's go to horror now.
made a jump for it.
I'm heading to hole. Wait for me. Let me
That's
just
how I made it.
take
I
off
gotta go turn off third person. I
third
know,
person.
third person sucks.
Same. Wait, where are you? Where are you?
Yeah, that's why
in
it's
stump. I'm in
amazing.
stump. I'm in stump. I got a coconut.
Okay, let's head to
I have coconut.
hole.
No, I have a coconut. Wait, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name in the game?
J-Man.
Okay, J-Man, you're in a video right now.
Look at the capybara.
Okay, I've never actually. Will you post it?
Yep, I'm gonna post it.
And then
I've never actually been in a YouTube video.
If you
before,
wanna
so
check,
this is
if you wanna
amazing.
check it out, I started not too long ago.
And I
My
actually wait. No,
My
this
YouTube
isn't
is
the first
Hunt
time
VR.
I've been in a YouTube
My
video.
YouTube is
This
Hunt
is the
VR.
first time being in a video in like a gorilla game. And the other time I got, and the other, can you guys hear me?
this is horror. This is horror. This is horror.
The other time
gotta find
I
a
got
button.
in put in.
Can you guys
Dude,
hear me?
hey, wait for me. Wait, let me tell you something.
this?
The other time I've been in a video was in Rec Room.
Little baby.
Except
Oh,
I
we have to
died
find
in
a
the
button.
Squid Game Rec Room.
Come on, we have to
video
find a button.
immediately.
What is this?
Come on, J-Man, we gotta
guys,
find a
Can you
button.
guys hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Guys, in the monkey. You don't have to find a button.
He's following you.
Not us.
I did. I fell off the map.
He looks so Monkey!
I fell off the map.
Wait, next time a capybara comes, I'm just gonna let it push me off.
I'm not good at the game. Guys, I'm not good at the game. I don't know how to play.
Me neither. Me neither.
I just got it today. I can't find the button.
Well, it's like tag, but not.
I'm kind of good because I played Gorilla Tag and I'm like a god at it.
No, I know where the exit is.
Is anyone recording here?
Me?
I'm just gonna try the other way.
Can I be in video?
You are in a video.
Wrong way.
Wait, where did you go? How do you not bounce?
Where's the capybara?
I'm over here.
Yes, I made it.
Use the bouncing to your advantage. Use the bouncing to your advantage.
I'm gonna go to the. I use that.
We gotta find a button.
Call it horror.
to get in there?
It's not that scary. I guess it's kind of weird. I'm 9 years old and somehow I get scared by a solo
secret area.
Big Daddy.
I was about to say, is that secret tunnel? I was about to say, is that secret tunnel?
Put in!
Okay.
I did it!
You can just say my name.
Come on, exit.
You can. There's no exit.
Yes, there is!
Yeah,
Look!
there is.
No, there
You
isn't.
did it. Now cry. Because there is nothing.
Damn.
Stupid. I told you.
Well,
That's still the
well,
exit.
at least we made it past the door. Now let's find a way.
Now there's
find a
nothing.
way.
There's nothing else, guys.
It's just
Yeah,
just
geez,
leave.
bro. Who knew? You didn't have to repeat it 7,000 times.
Is there a way to make it to the back room?
Somebody
teach me. I'm new. Is the back room in? Is the
back room's gone now.
It's like Gorilla
The back
Tag.
rooms is
Do
gone
you
now.
play Gorilla Tag?
Yeah, everyone probably does.
Yo,
Most
guys,
people.
I haven't seen the new update yet.
Oh, it's just multiplayer's back. Is that a bot? I'm so scared. Gotta dunk it in basketball.
Hold on,
From the top rope. Oh, I missed.
It says it's an exit, but it ain't. Well, I guess you could.
Ooh,
Funky monkey.
a ball. Ball.
Jump. Oh.
No exit.
Dang it.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Left-handed and then.
How do you get in there? How do you get in there? How do you press
Mission
the
failed.
button?
I'm about to dunk it. I'm about to dunk on you.
Oh my, come on.
Slam dunk.
Oh.
Come on. I forgot which.
Who wants to get
Slam
dunked on?
dunk.
There is only one button.
Oh, you do?
I'm checking out the museum and then I'm gonna end the video.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna leave and go because there ain't no monster. The monster ain't coming to get our little monkey butts. Yeah, so you guys.
I like that one.
Does it have a weed? No, it doesn't have a weed.
What? Hi. You're in a video, by the way. That's gonna be it for this video.